Expert service and fast throughput times for repairs and vehicle maintenance are factors that distinguish successful car dealerships and service centers. For better efficiency and cost effectiveness, Jung Volkswagen in Sinsheim stores all of its standard and special tools in a Hänel Lean-Lift. In the past, tools and repair kits were kept on shelves and in drawer modules. These units were located at various points throughout the repair shop. Tools were not stored centrally in the service department. Now, all tools are kept in a Hänel Lean-Lift that is easily accessible. There is no need to search for specific tools in different places, and that saves time for service personnel. By coupling the Hänel system controller with tool management software like SEP24, special tools can be managed quite easily in accordance with the Block Exemption Regulation List, the BER list. Based on standardized maintenance and repair procedures, the list specifies the tools to be used for each procedure. The tool management software also indicates whether a particular tool is being used by another service colleague. A complete tool inventory is available at any time. When the specified tool number is entered on the control panel of the Hänel Lift controller, the system brings the tool to the retrieval point at an ergonomic height. Pictures of the tools displayed on the lift controller unit also make choosing the right tool quick and easy. Tool management with the Hänel Lean-Lift has also improved space utilization at the dealership. Up to 1,400 different tools are neatly stored in one system within a minimum footprint of just 7.5 square meters. Professional process optimization in automobile service centers. The Hänel Lean-Lift is the perfect solution for organized storage of vehicle components and tools. Hänel experts will be happy to provide you with consulting support and ideas for perfecting your intralogistics.